Have you ever noticed how strengthening certain muscles can make everyday movements feel so much smoother and more secure, like climbing stairs or simply getting out of a chair? Today, we are going to explore a fantastic exercise that targets those crucial stabilizing muscles around your hips, making those movements feel much easier and safer. Performing resistance-bend hip abductions safely involves prioritizing proper from over heavy resistance, especially for improving hip stability and preventing falls. The core idea is to move slowly and with control, focusing on activating the gluteus medius and minimus, which are the smaller muscles on the side of your hips, rather than swinging your leg. The reason this exercise is so effective and needs careful execution lies in the function of those hip abductor muscles. They are responsible for moving your leg away from your body's midline and, crucially, for stabilizing your pelvis when you stand or walk. If these muscles are weak or not properly engaged, it can lead to imbalance, knee pain, or even a higher risk of falls. Doing the exercise safely ensures you strengthen these muscles without straining your back or knees, allowing them to perform their stabilizing role effectively. To do this exercise safely and effectively, begin by choosing a light resistance band. Place it just above your knees or around your ankles, depending on the variation you choose. If standing, hold onto a sturdy support like a chair for balance. Keep your body tall, gently engage your core, and make sure your hips remain level throughout the movement. Slowly lift one leg out to the side, leading with your heel, only going as far as you can maintain control and keep your torso upright. Avoid tilting your body or hiking your hip. Pause briefly at the top, then slowly lower your leg back down with control. Aim for 8 to 12 repetitions on each side, completing 2 or 3 sets. A valuable tip for this exercise is to think about pushing your heel away from your body, almost as if you are trying to leave a footprint on the wall beside you. This mental cue often helps activate the correct side hip muscles instead of relying on momentum or recruiting larger, less specific muscles. Also, consider performing this exercise while lying on your side if standing balance is a concern, as it offers excellent support while still targeting those same important abductor muscles. Remember, a smaller range of motion performed correctly is always more beneficial than a larger, uncontrolled movement. By consistently performing resistance-bend hip abductions with safe and mindful technique, you are building stronger, more stable hips, which translates directly into better balance, reduced joint stress, and a greater sense of confidence in your daily activities. This targeted strength work truly helps create a more resilient and capable body for all your movements, big and small.